What's the meaning of antecedent? Antecedent. 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 Antecedent.
Antecedent refers to something that comes before or precedes another thing. It can be used in a variety of contexts, such as in grammar where it refers to the noun that a pronoun replaces, or in logic where it refers to the preceding statement in a conditional statement. In general, understanding the antecedent is important for understanding the context and meaning of a statement or situation. By identifying the antecedent, one can better comprehend the relationships between different elements and make more informed decisions or interpretations.